In this video, we're going to be unboxing a BX Expanded Piranha Toothbar, which we've got right here. So this is for a TYM 2515H. It'll work for the TYM 2515R. Those are also Branson model tractor numbers. TYM and Branson merged. So I wanted to show you this because what this is a cutting edge for a tractor bucket here. So we open it up, you can see what it comes with and what it's got. Over here, you've got the bolting hardware. So with this, you do need to drill your bucket in order to make this work. So you've got to get a step bit in order to do that, and one that's hard enough to drill through bucket steel. So let's just open it up and see a little bit more. We're gonna have to take this plastic rock off anyways. But it looks like it's got some kind of galvanized coating on it or wear coating on it. Maybe that's powder coated. I don't know, but it definitely does have a coating on it here. Then you've got these teeth that kind of hook to the bar or the bucket edge. And then this is where it bolts on right here. And then this is that cutting edge. So let's see. That's actually pretty sharp. You can feel the sharpness of the edge there. And then you've got these bolts right here, which are going to hold it on to the actual bucket. So overall, this thing probably weighs, I don't know, somewhere between 30 and maybe 40 pounds, maybe a little bit less than that. But we're going to put it on that TYM 2515H bucket. And if you're looking for what the dimension is on this, it's 61 3/4 inches for ordering the TYM 2515 bucket size. So that's an important designation to find, is you got to order this to the nearest 1/4 inch of the bucket, and 61 3/4 inches works on that particular bucket. So in order to order this, you need to measure your bucket to make sure you get the right size. But if you got a TYM 2515H and it's got a 62 inch bucket, then you can get the 61 3/4 inch cutting edge, and it's going to fit right on there. So thanks for watching, and now we're going to put this on.